Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager located at the top and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Now just tap on one of your apps, in my case camera, and apply one of those options by tapping on it. Allow only while using the app or deny. I will go with allow, so when I click and go back, icons that camera just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always tap on one of your features and then select an app that you wish to manage, like Chrome. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, tap on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those features from your chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!